Let me ask you a simple question. Would you trust a mechanic who never learned how an engine works? Because that's what we're dealing with in modern medicine. Your doctor? Brilliant, dedicated, sacrificed years of their life in training. But here's the problem. That training came from a system funded by pharmaceutical companies. Most medical schools receive massive donations, research grants, and curriculum influence from the very companies that sell drugs. And the result? Doctors are taught how to diagnose and prescribe, not how to heal, not how to prevent, and definitely not how to reverse chronic disease naturally. Did you know most doctors get less than 20 hours of nutrition education? Some get none at all. Yet food is the foundation of your body's ability to repair itself. Ask your doctor what causes inflammation. Ask them how to detox the liver naturally. Ask about herbs, fasting, grounding, breathing, trauma release. You'll see the blank stare. And it's not their fault. They were trained by a system designed to treat you like a lifelong customer. You get a diagnosis, you get a drug. You get a follow-up, and the cycle never ends. But real healing isn't a pill. It's a process. It's nutrition, movement, rest, purpose, and truth. So don't be surprised when your doctor shrugs at natural medicine. They weren't taught to believe in it. They were taught to dismiss it before they even understood it. That's why I do what I do. Because if they won't teach it in med school, I'll teach it here. Follow me. This is the education you were supposed to get.
This presentation represents the professional opinions, clinical experiences, and educational interpretations of Dr. Farah Agustin-Bunch. It is presented strictly for informational, educational, and motivational purposes only. Viewing, attending, or engaging with this presentation, or any content in any form created by, affiliated with, showing, or associated with Dr. Farah does not establish or imply any doctor-patient relationship with anyone. No personal medical advice is being given, and nothing in this presentation should be interpreted as individual medical consultation, diagnosis, treatment, or prescription. Statements made herein have not been evaluated by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration or any international regulatory authority. The experiences and outcomes shared are not typical and are not guaranteed. This content is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your licensed healthcare provider before making any health-related decisions. Copyright and content protection. This presentation and all associated materials, including video, audio, slides, graphics, and spoken content, are the exclusive intellectual property of Dr. Farah Agustin-Bunch. Unauthorized recording, reproduction, distribution, sharing, or public display of any part of this presentation in any format is strictly prohibited and may result in legal action. By continuing to watch, you agree not to record, screen capture, copy, repost, or transmit this content in whole or in part without express written permission from Dr. Farah or her authorized legal representatives. By continuing to watch, you acknowledge that you are solely responsible for your health decisions. You understand this presentation is not a medical service. You agree not to hold Dr. Farah, her team, or affiliates liable for any outcomes associated with the use or misuse of the information provided. Viewer discretion is advised. This presentation may challenge conventional beliefs and expose controversial topics in medicine, health, and regulatory policy. It is intended to empower, not to incite fear, replace clinical care, or offer medical guarantees. Your health is your responsibility. This is your opportunity to reclaim it.